Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Neely, and in today's video I'm just going to be taking you for another teacher preschool day in my life. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do so. It really helps me out, and I'm so close to 200 subscribers, so if you hit that subscribe button, it would mean the world to me. I am a preschool teacher right now. In the fall, I'll be a senior in college going for elementary ed, and then this spring I'll be student teaching in kindergarten, if you don't already know that. So there is so much content to come and so much to unfold and unpack. It'll be a fun ride, so I hope that you stick around and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on all of the future endeavors. Today is Wednesday. It's a little bit cloudy right now, but I don't think it's supposed to rain, so we should be able to get outside. Yesterday, if you watched my video, then you saw that we made aprons for Bakery Week, and we're continuing that Bakery Week today and tomorrow. So I hope that you have enjoyed seeing some of that and getting a little bit of inspo. If you want to do a bakery themed transformation or week or craft, there are so many fun ideas. And if you're wondering, we got those aprons off of Amazon, so you can order them straight from there. We also ordered bakery hats from Amazon, which came yesterday, and we're going to be making those, I think, either today or tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and get to school, and I'll catch up with you all when I get there. I don't know if I've actually talked about this cup, but I had a student give me this cup this past year. I literally use it every single day. It has my name on it with the crayons. They ordered it from some lady. I tell you what, these are the cutest cups because they're just look at it, the glitter and the crayons. It's like screams teacher, and I just love it. Today we are making bakery hats. Like I said earlier, these are what they look like and are from Amazon. I started my morning routine by putting out all of our chairs for the day and getting ready for our tables. Then I headed into the craft closet to find some stickers to put on our bakery hats. Here you can see that my students are working on some fine motor skills with these little tiles that they use, and they can use the pen to push down little dots. And then we also have these where they can write on them, use the shapes to put on them, and it's so cute and so much fun. Here they are putting the stickers on their bakery hats. We just wrote their names on the hats so that we knew which one was which, and let them put food stickers to go along with our bakery week. These were so much fun. We let them use these stickers for fine motor skills, and we let them choose what stickers they wanted as well, and we had them tell us what they were just to practice vocabulary and growing their knowledge in different words. So these are something that we've been adding in our room lately. It is letting them use these Velcro shapes to match with the corresponding shape that is on the paper. We just laminated the paper so that they're able to put it on the wall and not get messed up. And you can see how they are matching the shape cutouts and putting them on the shapes paper. It practices shapes, and it also practices fine motor skills, and it also practices learning the colors, and they had a lot of fun doing it. Then we moved on to this shape wall, which has a lot of different shapes and uses everyday objects to place the shapes on the corresponding shape. So as you can see, we had a circle, and they were using a little button to put on the circle, so it's real life scenarios to put into shapes, showing them that there are plenty of shapes out there in different objects. We also do this for colors as well, so they practice their colors, matching colors with different objects, and it helps them learn their colors and their shapes. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video here. Here was our final product of the day. We made pancakes as well, so I hope you enjoyed.